This little colony of stingless bees has a single queen on the inside. She is only mated once when she comes out of this nest after there's already an active colony here. As a virgin queen, she can fly out. She's a tiny body with some nice long wings. She mates with one drone that'll be somewhere here outside the nest waiting for her. Goes back inside, then her abdomen grows. It becomes full of eggs and she becomes like a jelly bean. She can never fly again, but she's stored all the sperm she needs from that one mating to lay about 200 or 300 at least fertilized eggs per day for her whole life. She'll go on living and being the mother queen of this colony, the only individual laying eggs, for 2 to 3 years. Then she'll have to be replaced by a new queen, and the process will go through again. Now, each of those eggs that she's laying grows up from a little caterpillar-like thing. We could call them a grub. They eat pollen and a little bit of honey and some other special food in a tiny little brood cell. They can grow big enough as a grub so they just about fill that cell, and then they stop eating. Then they turn into a pupa, and then they go through metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is the process where all their body parts are reorganized and restructured inside that one little package that was a grub. They become something that looks like an adult bee, and after about 45 days from the time they were just deposited as an egg by the queen, they have gone through metamorphosis after eating all the food in there, and they are a full intact bee that will then emerge, and it'll live for maybe 2-3 weeks. The worker bees live about that length of time. All these bees flying in and out here, these are workers. Ones are coming in bringing food, ones are going out trying to find food, or they've already been to a plant somewhere out there in the forest they're going to go back to, so they can remember where they're coming and going. A good talent bees have.